guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making some Halloween charms, which is a little pumpkin and a ghost. Hope you'll like this video. First, let's get started with the pumpkin. Here, I took a orange colored dry clay dough and created the grooves using the needle tool. If you guys don't have the boxwood tools, you can use any sharp objects to do the same. Here, I am using some green dry clay and made a small stem on the top of the pumpkin. Next, we are gonna make a tendril using the same clay. Make a curl to give it a cute touch. Next, we are gonna make a pair of eyes using black dry clay and a slim mouth using the same. Insert the pin into the charm and we are done. Next, we are going to make the ghost charm or charming ghost, either way you like. Take some white dry clay and mold it into a shape of a water drop and bend it the end and to get the shape of a ghost. Make the eyes for the ghost and insert a pin. And you are done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and see you guys in the next video. Happy Halloween!